is warm now. I am standing in the center. The heavy noise is gone. I can finally breathe. I can finally breathe. I just